How to use a shortcut key to open a printer in Google Chrome. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. So first of all, if you're on Windows or Linux, you can open up your Word document and use the Word document that you have. And once we open it up, what we can do is we can just go over and directly type Ctrl+P on our keyboard, and it will open up the space right here where we can select the printer. Now from here, we can look at the option called open up the print preview window, and you can then select your printer, pages, copies and layout. You can select your printer, similarly your copies and your layout, etc. You can just go over and customize it. And in order to quickly print it without any preview, you can press Ctrl+Shift+P directly, and that will open up on Chrome or most browser specific extensions. You can just go over and check it out, and that should do it. But usually that is how you should be able to do it. Just press Ctrl+P to open it up for your printer settings, and press Ctrl+Shift+P for control Chrome setups, and that's it. And that is it, everybody. That's how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.